Alright, so here we go. Late night load up. Got the trailer ready. Getting ready to go down and go pick up the coupe. You know, just normal 3G's life stuff. So here we go. So there's a preview. We'll start a mission at 2 a.m. and do a time lapse of us driving down 1,400 miles round trip to pick up a car and coming right back. So we'll see. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know, it's a dead heat of night. You gotta be quiet when you're leaving the house. But today we're on a special mission to go pick up an Accord coupe from a friend and a longtime member for another project we got on how to swap your B series. So we got the truck and trailer loaded up. So we're gonna get on the road and I'll fill you in when we get there. For now, we're just gonna swap to a time lapse. So let me hop in and get started.
Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system.
Well, we finally made it to our destination to look at the Accords. So here's a classic, Stephanie's Accord. Haven't seen this one in
forever,
almost a decade. I think it was probably the last meet.
Right?
Yeah. And then you, like I said,
Yeah, because 2015, the last time I took this to the meet was after he was born. He was little.
Right, and he was in the car seat.
Right.
And then this is what I came to pick up.
I stopped driving it, I think, in 18.
Dang.
Because the proportion valve, so the brakes were bad, and then we moved up here.
Woohoo! Hey, it wouldn't be a Honda if you didn't have to do that. tell me you Honda.
Right. Tell me you Honda without telling me you Honda.
I have to do the same thing in my sedan. For some reason, I couldn't get the starter to work, and I couldn't figure out the starter thing. Had to do the same stuff.
Well, it was crazy. So when we swapped the transmission, I had got a new starter, and I was gonna replace it.
All right, so now all the fun begins. Loading the car to get it packed up and turn back around for the 6-hour round trip. So let's go ahead and do this. And then fiddle with it. Hell yes. The push brigade. Oh yay, paperwork. Alright, now let me get in front of it. Give it the push.
It's hotter than
Oh, it ain't that bad. It rolls. That's a good part of the battle right there, and she can use the brakes, so impressive. Go ahead and look. Hold on. You're a fucking asshole. Just go ahead and give it a good old compression bump. Yep, looks straight to me. What you thinking, sir?
Pull it or push it?
You're gonna have to pull it. I ain't pushing up this bitch.
You could steer it.
I'll help push it.
We'll push it.
I ain't gonna be able to get out of it.
There is that.
We could lock the steering wheel. So don't go nowhere
Pull the brake.
Pull your brake. You want it up more or?
No, that should be fine.
Alright, come on.
And now you've driven a car.
Yeah.
That's it.
I asked him, how much are these worth to you? I'll send them to him.
We're out of here. Say bye-bye. Now we're gonna go and take this home. Say thank you. Appreciate you. Now off for a long, boring ass drive again. Maybe with a side stop. So
We're going down a little further south.
when in Rome.
About
So
2 more hours south, so it's gonna be an 8-hour trip to get back home.
oh, it's cool. My wife won't be mad at all.
From Disneyland, you can hit the 5.
Yeah, and then take the 5 back up.
Yeah. That's why I figured you guys took the 5 down.
All right, it's closed.
That fucking shit.
right, back to the time lapse. All right, that kind of sucks. So yeah, on the road trip home, you get one of these, a nice little blowout. So what would a road trip be if you didn't have to deal with shit like that? So luckily you come prepared, get your situation straight, and get back on the road. So it shouldn't cost us more than what, half hour or something like that, maybe an hour. But luckily we had tools and we planned ahead. Not really for that, maybe for that and maybe one of those, but yeah. Well done, touche. Let's get back to it. 24 hours later, I'm back home with a new turd to play with. So that was a fun trip. So I will check on that tomorrow. And until then, good night.